Question 1. Prove the following. So first we will consider left hand side. Sin square pi by 6, cos square pi by 3, tan square pi by 4. So sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30. That means 1 by 2 square. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60. That is also 1 by 2. Square is there. So it's square. Then minus. Tan pi by 4 means 1. And tan 45 is 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. These two will give half. Half minus 1 is minus half, which is right hand side. Question number 2. We should prove 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 equals to 3 by 2. So we'll consider left hand side here. 2 sin square pi by 6 cosec square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3. Okay. Now sin pi by 6 means 30. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2 square. Cosec 7 pi by 6 value we should find. है ना? So what we will do here? We will split. 7 pi by 6 we can write pi plus pi by 6. See, 6 pi plus 1 7. So pi plus pi by 6. Now cos square pi by 3. This is into cos square 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2 square. So 2 into 1 by 4. Now we should use a light angle. So cosec pi. Pi plus theta is what? Cosec pi plus theta is what? See, this is pi. Pi plus theta means third quadrant. So only tan is positive. So cosec will be negative. But pi means cosec pi only should come. So what we will write? This will give minus cosec pi by 6 square. Okay. Cosec pi means only cosec will remain, and it is in third quadrant, so it will have minus sign, into 1 by 4. This will give 1 by 2. Now cosec pi by 6 is what? Cosec 30, that is minus 2. Okay. So 1 by 2, 4 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2, which is right hand side. Next question is proof that this expression is equal to pi by 6. So we will consider left hand side. So cot pi by 6, that is cot 30. So this is cot 30 is what? Root 3. So root 3 square we should write, isn't it? Now cosec 5 pi by 6 we will split. How we can write 5 pi by 6? See, pi minus pi by 6 will give 6 pi minus 1 means 5 pi by 6. So what we will do? We will write cosec 5 minus pi by 6. Then 3 times tan square 30. Tan square 30 means what? 1 by root 3, isn't it? Square. So now root 3 square means 3 only. Now cosec pi. Cosec pi means cosec will remain. Cosec pi by 6, isn't it? Pi means same trigonometric ratio. Now in which quadrant it will come? Pi minus pi by means second one. In second one, sine is also positive, cosec is also positive. That means it will have positive sign. Okay. See here, no need to remember all the formula for a light angle. This trick we can use. Now 3, 1 by root 3 square means 1 by 3. So 3 will go. So 3 plus. Now cosec pi by 6 means cosec 30. So cosec 30 is 2 plus 1. So answer is 6, which is right hand side. Question number 4, left hand side we will consider here. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3. Now pi by 3, pi by 4 all are standard value. 3 pi by 4 we can write. See, pi minus pi by 4, isn't it? 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi. 3 pi by 4 we can write pi minus pi by 4. Then 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square, or directly we can write values. So sec pi, cos pi by 4 means cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 square. Then sec 60. Sec 60 is what? 2 only. So 2 square will come. Now here pi minus theta. Okay, see this is pi. Pi minus theta means second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. So this will give positive value. And then next what we have to check? Sine pi. So that will remain to sine, and angle is pi by 4 square. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 4 to the 8. This will go. So sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square. So 8 plus 1, 9. So 1 by root 2 square means 1 by 2. So 9 plus 1, 10, which is right hand side. Sine 75 degree, you should find the value of this. Now this is not a standard value, so we will check whether we can split this into standard value, addition of standard values, or subtraction. So yes, we can write 45 plus 30. So this is our A, this is B. Okay. XY we can consider. We remember the formula XY. So sine X, that is 45, cos Y, that is 30, plus cos X means cos 45, then sine 30, isn't it? Now each value will substitute here. 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 30 is 1 by 2. So this will be root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So now denominator is same, so we can write root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So this is your value of sine 75. Now next question is, this is first part of the question. For the next question, second one, tan 15. So tan 15 we can write 45 minus 30, isn't it? So what is the formula for tan? Tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Compound angle formula for tan. Now tan 45 is 1. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So in numerator we will cross multiply, in denominator also. So root 3 minus 1 whole divided by root 3. Here also root 3 plus 1 whole divided by root 3. So this will go. So finally what we can write? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1.